Money stacked for a large amount. POA has the best street boys in town. If you don't believe me, just come on.
We don't mind all the watching. Cause if you stand close, feel close, you might learn something. She screams. Watch out slow, so you can try to catch our wind when we go by. We're so boys down by the pier. Grab my friends and headed on over the tree. Watch them battle alone, calling them in the sun.
Place Women's Center. Al, you're all over the place. Grand Catholic Charity. And they're partnered with Friendship Station. The next pack is Wells Fargo. House. Jason partners with Ada's House. Nice hair. And now we have the Cone Resnick Team International, partnered with the Esperanza Center Medical Floor.
And when we came back, we would win. And this team delivered, because DAP delivers as promised.
The champions, hands in.
Hands in.
3 count, and then we'll get a chance. Count it up.
1, 2, 3, chance!
Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Division champions right here.
1, 2, 3,